Some people have been married for 30 years, but they have only been happy for a few years. The question is, what is the secret to a happy and successful marriage? A happy and successful marriage could mean a whole lot of different things to different people. But here in this video, I will be discussing some of the things I believe are the pillars of a happy and successful marriage. If that sounds like something you're interested in, please watch this video right till the end. And please do not forget to like, to subscribe, to share, and to leave your thoughts in the comment section. Thank you so much to all my followers who have been following me for my previous videos. Those that are returning to watch my videos, I really appreciate your support. May God bless you. So let's get into the video. The first pillar of a happy and successful marriage is communication. The very essence why people get married is for companionship. So, when you're married, you should be able to communicate with your companion. Your companion is not meant to be seen and not heard. A companion is a partner, okay, not a competitor. So, for you to be able to function well, you should be able to communicate with your partner. Communicate your plans, communicate your fears, communicate your everything. You should be open to your partner. When you have issues, you should be able to talk to each other, resolve these issues. Do not sweep things under the carpet. Talk about the problems that concern the both of you so that you can all be happy again. There will be no resentment, there will be no bitterness, and everyone will be happy. So, number 2 points is transparency. Transparency is one of the building blocks of a happy and successful marriage. When we talk about transparency, we are talking about honesty, we are talking about trust. I cannot emphasize how important trust is in any relationship, especially marriage, because you have chosen to live in one house with someone. You have chosen to live the rest of your life with someone. You should be able to trust that person. You shouldn't be sleeping with one eye open, worrying about something going wrong. Okay? If you have trusted someone with your life, you should be able to sleep peacefully. Okay? Now let's talk about honesty. You should be open to someone, especially to your spouse, to your husband, to your wife. You have to be open about your plans, about things that concern the both of you. So, once you're married, whatever concerns you concerns your spouse, either directly or indirectly. So you shouldn't exclude your spouse in things that concern you. You should be able to, open up, be honest about everything. No shady dealings, no sneaking around. Otherwise, there will be a questioning mind. And once there's a questioning mind, there's going to be a problem. Okay? So you want to be honest with your spouse. Number 3 building block is loyalty. I should have said this from the beginning because it's so important. Any marriage where there's no loyalty is standing on shaky grounds. It can collapse anytime because so many marriages have not survived infidelity. If you've decided that you are going to spend the rest of your life with someone, try your best to be faithful. Okay? This has to do with trust somehow, like I mentioned just now. If your partner is not able to trust you that you're going to be responsible to do the right things, there's a whole big problem right there. Okay? It's not about your partner trying to go through your phone, going to go through your things, sneak around, follow you around to see if you're doing the right thing. No. Your partner should be at peace, knowing that you'll be responsible enough to do the right thing. Okay? Number 4 building block is respect. Yes, mutual respect is very important. When you talk to your partner, you want to make sure that you're talking respectfully. Your tone matters a lot. You want to make sure that you are taking your partner's opinion into account when you are taking decisions that concern your partner. As a matter of fact, once you are married, whatever concerns you directly or indirectly concerns your spouse. So you want to make sure your partner also knows things that are going on. Okay, that's some of the ways you can respect your partner. So now let's come to respecting your partner when you talk to them. The tone matters a lot. Are you being abusive when you talk? Abusive verbally, emotionally, physically. You want to make sure that you are treating your spouse right. Number 5 building block is empathy. Always try to put yourself in your partner's shoes. It's very important. It works a lot. If you can always ask yourself this question, this thing I'm about to do, if my spouse does it to me, would I like it? If someone else does this thing to me, would I like it? If the answer is no and you don't do it, you will see that there will be no problem. You and your spouse will be at peace and everything will be okay. Always ask yourself, will my partner like this? Okay, if my partner does this to me, would I like it? If the answer is no, you don't do it. I hope it makes some sense. If you found this video useful, please like it, share it, comment, and follow and subscribe. Thank you so much for your time. I'll see you in the next video.